I'm going to make a recipe inspired by chicken satay, or if you're feeling fancy, you can call it chicken satay, okay? It's a recipe that's full of spices, full of flavor, wonderful, so you can stop making stroganoff. Every time you have dinner or lunch at your place, you're going to adopt this recipe for your life. Because this is the kind of recipe that surprises people and makes them think it was really hard to make, but actually it's super easy. Seriously, seriously. It's one of the tastiest chicken recipes I've ever had in my life, so trust me, this recipe is going to impress everyone. Here we have garlic, ginger, and chili pepper. I'm making a small amount since only Marcelo and I will eat. Just 1 garlic clove, a bit of ginger, and a small piece of chili pepper. I'm browning the chicken here. Look, in a little while when it's golden, I'll show you the recipe. I used 2 seasonings from Pitada, the lemon pepper, which is delicious for seasoning fish and chicken. I love it. And this wonderful one here, the organic turmeric, which everyone should have at home. I'm going to add a little bit of the Indian Pitada, which is one of my favorites. Guys, you have no idea how amazing this smells and tastes. Here, I'm going to add just a little bit too because I'm following my recipe, my way. Now comes the main characteristic of chicken satay that I'm bringing into my recipe, which is the peanut paste. This one is all natural, no sugar, obviously store-bought, okay? In the original recipe, it would use coconut milk, but since I have fresh cream, I'm going to use fresh cream because it's expensive. And I want to use what I have in the fridge. That's good enough. In the end, we balance the acidity, adjust the salt, add some greens to make it look nice, but you have no idea how good this tastes. It's delicious, wonderful. Look how beautiful this dish turned out. On top, I added the savory rosemary and turmeric granola from Pitada Natural, which gives it a crunch and flavor. Guys, my mouth is watering. Excuse me. I'm going to wrap this up so I can eat, okay? In this recipe, I use several products from Pitada Natural because the partner of Panelaterapia always sends me things. And there's a discount code for followers too, which you always ask me for. This time, they gave a 10% discount. The seasonings from Pitada, guys, the ingredients are really good. They're carefully selected. Everything is super fresh and 100% natural. You can use these seasonings here, especially if you have kids. I used them from Liz's very first meals, and I still use them today. They also have an organic line. Everything is delicious. Everything is really well made. I totally trust these products and recommend them to everyone. This cute crate in my kitchen that you always ask about, yes, it's the one with the seasonings. If you buy 6 seasonings, you can pick your favorites on the website. The little crate comes as a free gift, and there's always a free shipping promotion for all of Brazil. Check the website to see if the promotion is available, okay? The website is showing up on the screen for you, and it's really worth it. In this recipe, besides the seasonings, I use savory granola to finish it off. This granola is amazing, guys. And the all-natural peanut butter as well, which you can find at Pitada, okay? So you can use it generously, and I also use the Indian Pitada in the sauce. Make it and then post the recipe online and tag me so I can repost it. It's important for others. It's good to know it works at home so you don't think otherwise. Oh, you think it's just a trick that it doesn't work at your place? So make it and tag me so everyone will know it worked for you too.